Hi, I'm Morgan, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my all-time favorite snacks, energy bites. These are the perfect healthy snack to have on hand. They can be customized a ton of different ways and take only 10 minutes to stir up. All you'll need for these energy bites is 5 simple ingredients you might already have on hand. Rolled oats, the protein powder of your choice, or you can skip this step if you don't have any, your favorite peanut butter, honey, and your favorite mix-ins. Today I'm just using mini chocolate chips. As far as equipment goes, all you will need is some measuring cups, a bowl, a rubber spatula, and a container to store your bites in. The first step is to add all of your ingredients into the bowl except the chocolate chips or other add-ins that you are using. Now you will mix this until your ingredients are all incorporated. If your mixture seems sticky, add some more oats. If it seems too dry, just add some more peanut butter. Now it's time to add in your mini chocolate chips or other mix-ins. Some of my favorites include shredded coconut, slivered almonds, and craisins. Now you'll just stir so your chocolate chips are evenly distributed throughout the mixture. If you have the time, throwing the mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes before rolling can make the dough much less sticky and easier to work with. Next, you're just going to roll your mixture into balls. I usually aim for about 1 inch in size, and then you'll place them into an airtight container or Ziploc bag. These can be stored in the fridge for up to 2 weeks or the freezer for up to 3 months, although I doubt they will last that long. This recipe typically makes about 24 energy balls. They are full of healthy fats and protein, which helps keep you feeling full and satisfied and can even curb that pesky sweet tooth.